everyone, I'm Tan from LMA Latch. Our team developed a braided parts for helicopters. Today in this video, I'm going to show you about our new carbon fiber frame with battery latch for Goosky S2. It's very simple and quickly to install the battery. As you could see, I already attached the fly battery into the frame. First of all, I need to press the lower case button to open the lower case. So I need to plug out the yellow cable here. Then rotate the battery at 180 degrees like this. After that, I just need to slide the battery out. Now I will demonstrate how to install the battery into the frame. And I rotate the battery at 180 degrees like this. You can notice that there are white plastic slideway here. So the fly battery should be installed between these two slideway. Don't forget to lock the battery latch by rotating it like this. You should test whether the battery is already locked or not. Plug in the yellow cable here. Close the case upward to ensure that the case is locked. Then you could see lights on and off here. That's amazing, right? Okay, I'm done with installing the battery. Thanks for watching our video. If you find it useful, please give me a like and subscribe our channel. Stay tuned.